Hey friends, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So today Matt and I are going to go strawberry picking. We're going to check out a new farm that we've never been to. It's in Dallas, North Carolina, which is right outside of Charlotte.
Just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
I went strawberry picking so much as a kid. I love it. It's so much fun. I love eating the berries while I'm out in the field and just being out in the sunshine.
Oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better.
In addition to the strawberries, they were also growing blackberries, which were just about to be ripe, and a lot of grapes.
Take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel.
I can't wait to get home and make a strawberry shortcake later with some of these strawberries. It's going to be so delicious.
I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time.
They also have an amazing little general store where they have tons of already picked strawberries, homemade baked goods, and other fruits and vegetables that they grow on the farm. We ended up going home with a couple fresh tomatoes and a big head of cabbage.
You there.
We had such a good time, and I will definitely be back again to buy some more locally grown produce, and this will also be a fun place to come back to in the fall for pumpkin season.
Love you.
Tonight for dessert, I'm making homemade strawberry shortcake using all the strawberries we picked today. And instead of the traditional angel food cake, I'm just going to make some semi-sweet biscuits to go along with the strawberries. And of course, topping everything off with some whipped cream. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of brown rice flour, a cup of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And whisk that together. Then just set that aside, and in a little measuring cup, add about 3/4 cup of any non-dairy milk. I used almond milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then add about 1/4 cup of coconut oil to the flour mixture. And if you don't have a pastry cutter, you can just use a fork to press down the coconut oil until the flour resembles coarse crumbs. Add in the milk mixture, and using a big spoon, stir it all together until it forms a dough. Next, portion out the dough until you have about 10 biscuits. Pop these in a 400-degree oven for about 22 to 23 minutes. Now that everything's ready, it's time to assemble our shortcake. I'm making mine look really pretty because I wanted to take some photos, but you don't have to do all these layers. You can just throw everything in a bowl and it'll still be just as good. This was my first time ever making this. I was just kind of winging it, but it ended up coming out so good. The berries and the whipped cream together are really sweet, so they complement the semi-sweet biscuit really nicely. This was a really fun day full of some adventure and delicious food. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye!